Welcome to Chartco's Passage Manager Training Module 17, Managing NavArea Warnings. The NavArea Warnings module can be accessed from the NavArea Warnings bar on the homepage or from the NavArea Manager button in the Start main menu. You will land in one of three screens depending on what outstanding actions you have. You will land directly in the New area where new NavArea warnings are outstanding and require applying. You will land directly in the Cancelled area when cancelled NavArea warnings are outstanding and require archiving. You will land directly in the Enforce area when there are no new or cancelled NavArea warnings outstanding. Click Setup. The NavArea setup allows you to set the nav areas you wish to collect and display warnings for. By default, all nav areas are enabled and therefore updates for all 21 nav areas will be collected. If you only wish to collect and display a limited set of nav areas, then simply deselect the nav areas you do not require and click Save. For example, if your vessel does not trade in Russian Federation waters, then deselect 20 and 21 Russian Federation, then click Save. You will no longer collect updates for these nav areas until such time you reselect them. NavArea warnings should be read, understood, and where necessary, marked on the relevant navigational charts. Once these actions are complete, the user must apply the NavArea warnings within Passage Manager. The NavArea warnings are then removed from the new view. To apply new warnings, select the NavArea warning that you wish to apply. The row is then highlighted showing that it has been selected. The warning text will also be displayed in the right-hand side window. Click Apply to apply the warning. Enter the username and password if prompted and click the OK button. The password prompt is necessary to ensure the logged-on user has permissions to perform the required action. It's also used to record in the database when and which user has applied the NavArea warning. The warning will be removed from the new view and the total count at the top of the screen will be reduced accordingly. To unapply NavArea warnings, click Enforce. Select the NavArea warning that you wish to unapply. Click Unapply. The warning will be moved back into the new view. The warning will also remain in the Enforce view, but will now have a pink background indicating the warning is new and needs to be applied. Enforce warnings can be printed by highlighting the warning, then clicking Print Selected. Click Show on Map to view the warning on the map. The map will center on the warning, and the warning will be highlighted in yellow to help you identify it. To archive cancelled warnings, click the Cancelled button. NavArea warnings are typically cancelled for three reasons. A NavArea warning is superseded by a newer warning and is therefore cancelled. A NavArea warning self-cancels as it has a set cancellation date, or the NavArea coordinator cancels the warning. When a NavArea warning is cancelled, the user must archive the NavArea warnings within Passage Manager. The cancelled NavArea warnings are then removed from the cancelled view. Select the warning that you wish to archive. Click Archive. Note: warnings with pink backgrounds indicate that the warning has not been applied but is now cancelled. NavArea warnings can be unarchived if they have been previously archived in error. To unarchive a warning, select the warning from the list and then click Unarchive. NavArea warnings can be shown on the map as an overlay. Click on the Start main menu and then select Product Catalogs or Routes and Passages. Ensure that the NavArea warnings layer is enabled by clicking the icon labelled Show NavArea Warnings. All NavArea warnings will now be displayed on the map. Warnings are coloured to indicate the status of the warning. New is in red, In Force in amber, and Cancelled is blue. Multiple warnings can be selected by holding down the Shift key and/or Control key whilst using the mouse to select the warnings required. You can resort the left side grid view by clicking on the column headers. Click the Details tab on a warning to see further details such as expiry dates or receive dates. Click the Filter button to only show selected nav areas of interest. This may be particularly useful when your vessel is only trading in a selection of nav areas. The process is now complete. Thank you for watching.